Kgalema Motlanthe, the former President of the Republic of South Africa, Thabo Mbeki and Mrs. Mbeki, and the Chairperson of the African Union Commission, Prince Charles of the Mr. Lionel Jospin, as
Ganga Nensibazayo.